Hi, good afternoon. This is the guy from London. So we have Yancy rice here. Ano ay spice ginger pork?
Yung mga puto mga pinaka-plate ko lang po yung pangita.
Oh, good yan, good. Pork and then Yancy rice. We'll eat. And pork and then Yancy rice. We'll eat. And then we'll share to you later. Bye. Oh, wow. Sarap. Para sa may Szechuan sauce. Steak sa pork. Steak sa pork. Tastes like you're in Hong Kong. Some of this. Round 2. Let's try first barbecue. It's soft, it's caramelized, you can see. And the rice, Szechuan flavor, and then the cream.